Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will presenting about Puncak Kuca, and the theme of my slide is Iceland. Iceland known as land of fire and ice because it has many active volcanoes and also ice glacier. And the language that Iceland use, that is Icelandic language. The capital city, that is Reykjavik, and also the people that live at Iceland at around 390,000. And the Iceland wide, that is 100 kilometer. And Iceland national emblem is coat of arms and a flag. Iceland coat of arms is a silver cross in a sky blue field with a bright red cross inside the silver cross. The president, that is Halla Thomasdottir, born at 11 October 1968, is a Icelandic former businesswoman and politician, serving as the 7th president of Iceland since 2024. And also, the Halla Thomasdottir is the second president, the second woman president. And the short story about Iceland, the Viking settlement becoming a Norwegian province and eventually gaining independence. And the currency that Iceland use, that is Icelandic krona or ISK, 100 Icelandic krona is around 173,000 rupiah. And also the national anthem of Iceland, that is Love Songur or Go First Land. The culture, Icelandic culture, an Icelandic tradition of farmers, family, and friends gathering to gather sheep from the mountain. And the second is Fikifaki, the ring dance from Iceland, traditional ring dance from Iceland. And the next is typical food. There are two typical main food of Iceland, that is skyr, the similar like yogurt, and also blokfiskur or fish stew with butter and also potato. The tourism place. There are the three type of tourism place. That is, the first is glacier, and also the first glacier, the Joko Sarlon Glacier Lagoon, and the second Gullfoss, this one, and the third is Strákur. Universities. There are two main universities that came from Iceland. That is Reykjavik University, or the university that in capital city of Iceland, that is Reykjavik, and also Bifrost University, that not in the capital city, but not in the city, but in like a village, seems like village. And so the famous of Iceland, there are two famous of Iceland, that is the land of fire and ice, because there are two type of uh, lava and also the ice that are gathered in Iceland, and also the northern light, or we call it aurora. In Iceland there are aurora. And the next is tradition or culture, that is Lopapesha, the tradition Icelandic wool sweater. This is the local product, and also the rice, that is a popular candy in many varieties, including salty, sweet, and pepper spice. And also Harafiskur, that is traditional dried fish, and the film that is there are two type of film that is Noi Albinoi. It explains about the albino people that came from Iceland and also Titan of Nature that came that published at 19, 1993. Actor and public figure. They are Thomas Lemarquis as the main character of Noi Albinoi, Noi Albinoi, and the next is Elga Johnson, that famous football player in Iceland that joined Barca. And there are one type of public transportation that are bus. The most well-known public transportation in Iceland is the bus because in the capitals of Ireland you can find many bus. And weather. There are four types of weather. There are spring, summer, fall, and also winter. The most of weather or season in Iceland that are winter because uh, the winter at Iceland are so long, very long. The endemic animal, there are four type of endemic animal. That is Arctic fox that only in the Antarctica and also the Iceland, and Gyr falcon that seems like a falcon like eagle, and also porpoise that similar like whale, and also dolphin. And the next is the most iconic animal that is Icelandic sheep. Wait. Okay. And the next is the sport, the popular sport that is football and also handball. They are more popular sport at Iceland. The most job in Iceland that is fish processing. Fish processing is the most job at Iceland because uh, the traditional Iceland food that is harafiskur that come with that make with the right fish, and also the geothermal power, tourism, and hospitality. The interesting at Iceland. Iceland is famous for its natural beauty, including glaciers, volcanoes, hot springs, and waterfalls. It also known as the land of fire and ice. Maybe just that for my presentation, Pecha Kucha. Okay, the conclusion that we can take from the Iceland, that is the main thing that we can do in Iceland only just touring or maybe a holiday in there, because if we want to take some job in Iceland, there are minimum of job because the most famous of Iceland is only on tourism and also the natural view. Maybe just that. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.